What's up, you guys?
What's up?
We are in the car. It is Friday evening. We are on our way to Robert's parents' house. Robert was going to help them build their shop out this weekend, but the crane that they were going to use for that ended up breaking, so it's in the shop right now getting fixed. But we decided to do just a really quick trip to say hi to them anyways. So it's Friday at like 4:30. We're gonna drive down there. It's like a 2.5 hour drive, and then we'll leave late morning, early afternoon tomorrow. So that's it. That's what we're doing. We got some shakes up in here. This is raw milk, heavy cream, some of Mark Bell's steak shake, and a little bit of collagen. And we're both having some of that to kind of like tie us over, and then we might eat a little something once we get there. Packed a whole bunch of food for Rigel, and yeah, that's it. Got anything?
Yeah, buddy.
It's a lot of words. Thank you, Robert. We got Robert underneath of the vehicle once again.
Yeah.
What we got going on here?
What is this, Rigel? What's this? This is my buddy. This is Jet.
What do you think about that,
He's
Rigel?
scratching my back. What you think, baby? Huh? Horse? You say he's scratching my back. Is that a horse? Huh? Is that a horse? Is that a horse? You want to touch him? You want to touch him? Oh,
Smiling
he saw. Oh, good boy, Rigel. Good boy. He's a sweet boy. Yes, he is. He's a sweet boy. You want to sit on him? Huh? You want to sit on him? What is this, Rigel? Oh, baby. Oh, me! Oh, good boy, Rigel. Look at you. You're a cowboy. You're a cowboy, Rigel. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool.
What do you think about that, dude?
Can you say horse? Horse?
Wow.
Here's his. See his hair, Rigel? Rigel.
Hold on.
See his hair? Yes, he's a good boy.
I'm just thinking, I remember his jockey feet just a little bit heavier.
He said your daddy always wanted to be a jockey, didn't he? Yes, he did. Back, back, back. Is he moving?
What do you think? What do you think?
Bring him around to his face so you kind of see his eye. Rigel, that's a horse. Granny loves horses. Granny loves horses. Yes, he's a good boy. Oh, is he soft? Yes, he's soft. Yes, he is.
Come here, Ruben. Come here, Ruben. Come here, Ruben. You gotta tell us what we're doing.
What are you doing? Climbing the workshop. Helping build the... Look, the dogs, they're trying to climb it too.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna give you a little backstory here. We were supposed to come to my parents' house this weekend alongside my two of my three uncles, and Chris. And we were gonna hang all of these trusses that are underneath this tarp across the roof line, but the crane truck broke down. Yes, the crane truck broke down. So that crane truck, we couldn't hang the trusses, so we decided to still go ahead and come down this weekend, and we've just been hanging some girts. We just got done hanging up those 4 boards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just got done hanging those. So this shop, we built a while back, long time ago, when we were little kids, and then Dad's been extending it. So that's what this is here. We poured this slab a while back, and then he's been prepping everything for us to extend it out, and then it's all going to be re-sided and, you know, have a roof and everything on it. And then we'll also extend this eave as well, this lean-to. That'll extend out throughout the length of the shop. So the shop is just getting much, much bigger. That's what we got going on now. Alright, we're just enjoying the nice sunshiny weather. We got some steaks on the grill. So that's gonna be tasty.
Very good. Very, very good.
How you doing?
How you doing?
What's up, guys? It's Sunday.
Yeah.
We are awful at this. We came back home last night. We got home at like 7:30.
We ate the steaks with Mom and Dad,
Yeah.
and Tyler.
Yep.
Then we came home.
It was
We're home
late,
now.
and Robert and I literally worked until 10 p.m. because we had work to do. We got home a little later than we wanted to.
Got our clients done.
Got our clients done. It is now Sunday.
We're at Tractor Supply.
Yep.
We just went
We just left church. We are going to Tractor Supply
to get some pellets for the grill.
and maybe look at chicken things.
And maybe look at chicken things. Alright, so we are back from Tractor Supply Co. We did not get any chicken stuff, but we did look at pricing for fence stuff and some chicken stuff. Now we're at my house looking at my barn, and it needs some serious work because one of the walls is about to fall down. We got Rigel supervising. But as you can see, hopefully, like there's one wall and there's a back wall. You probably can't tell on the camera, but that back wall is bowing out something fierce. So that whole thing is just bowed way the heck out. And the reason it's bowed out is because if you walk inside, the board that all of that is attached to is splitting and broken and rotten, and then the whole wall is about to fall down. So
Really cool idea to stand inside here.
I'm gonna try and get one of these long boards, brace it there, and then tie a rope to it, and then pull it that way with the truck so that I can screw it or bolt it or something to that main support column, which is now solid. So that's my plan. What do you think?
Scary.
Yeah.
I feel like we're gonna pull one thing on this and then the whole thing's gonna come crumbling down.
That's possible. But that's what I gotta do now.
Yeah. Whoa. I mean, yeah, it's definitely moving, but yeah, not a lot.
Alright, check this out. We got some craziness going on here. So, I nailed that top board on there. I put a nail on that end, put a nail on that end, been on the ladder here, nailed it to that cross beam. Now, I'm pushing the wall forward with my truck. So, one of the benefits, I had a big old bumper. You can push walls, and I'm gonna get in a position and then I'm gonna nail it.
Just came out here and Robert's doing crazy things. Woo.
This?
Are you for real?
Just hold it right there. Alright, so quick little update. Got that part in the barn fixed. Then started bush hogging with this bad boy. And I broke it. I sheared, there's 4 bolts that go in here and basically have that mounting bracket here. So 4 bolts that go through there. I sheared a few of them and then it just became too loose. The belt popped off, so I need to get some replacement bolts for that bad boy. I might take the blade off and sharpen it while I'm at it. So That's what we got going on right now. Wrapping up the day with dinner time. What we got, Rigel? We got some salmon, some yogurt. You digging it? You digging it? We got some chicken with some buffalo sauce.
Yep,
Yogurt. You digging it? You don't have as much on your face as Rigel does.
Yeah, I would hope not.
What's up with that? What's up with that? Alright, y'all, so we're gonna wrap up this vlog here. We've had some crazy vlogs. Hopefully this has been entertaining for y'all. But every week we cook for the crew. This week we cooked some massive pork loins. So these have been smoking for 4.5 hours. Pulling these bad boys off right now. Perfect temperature. So, we shall see how they taste. I'm about to come back for that one. It was just too big. Alright, y'all, so here are those 2 massive pork loins. This is going to be our lunch for the week. Hopefully the crew enjoys it. I've been like smoking them at 180 degrees for 4 hours, and then I'll crank it to 350 and like finish them off for like 20 or 30 minutes at 350. But it's delicious, y'all. Very, very tasty. Very, very simple way to cook pork loins. So, that's a wrap on the vlog. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. We got all kinds of stuff done, a bunch of randomness. Let me know if y'all like the random vlogs. We're gonna start doing a lot more homesteading stuff. We're gonna actually start building a chicken coop here soon, putting up some fencing here soon. So it's been just like a lot of prep work and random odds and ends. So hopefully y'all enjoyed, and we will see you next time.